This is almost a month after one snowstorm. You still see snow on the ground.
He's back! And now it is a...
What's good with y'all? It's the Google 247 back with another video. As y'all see, it's a new day. It was actually pretty nice out there. I'm not even gonna lie. No more snow on the ground, which is a good thing. No jacket on, so you know the weather's pretty nice. What a year it's been. What a year it's been. I think I posted maybe 1 or 2 videos so far this year. Mind you, today is February, the 20th. So that's terrible. That's 1 video per month. As you seen, the snow had a big part of it. And then just personal stuff that I got going on. I got a little situation going on with YouTube itself. So it's just been a lot. But no complaints. Still gonna make the most of every day. As soon as I wake up, every day that you wake up, you're blessed. So I can't complain. I'm just gonna pick up where we are now. And that's trying to figure out what I wanna do. So I had all this time to think. I'm thinking about selling 2 of my cars to build just 1 car. I want to figure out what I want to get though. I'm trying to figure out which route to take to bring in more views. I don't know, it's just a lot with YouTube altogether as a platform itself. So I'm still learning, even though I've been on YouTube for going on 3 years, it's still a learning process. I just got monetized, 5-6 months ago, so everything's still new. But the content that I'm putting out is what I'm really trying to focus on. So pretty much this year has just been me trying to figure out life, YouTube, everything. So that's been pretty much what I've been doing for the past 2 months, just trying to figure out what route to take, how to get everything situated as far as what I'm going through and what I want to do with the builds I already got. With this car, so with this right here, I'm definitely going to keep this. So I actually had it at the guy's shop to get the power steering pump put on, and which it still needs, and a starter. Come to find out, I don't think it needs a starter because the car only has problems starting up when you're pumping gas or something like that. So even when you're driving it, it's still... So sometimes even when you're driving, it idles funny. So I looked more into it and I found out that it's just the purge valve, which I have right here. And I'm gonna end up throwing that on right now. And the other thing I have to do is take the headlights off or see if I can blow inside of it, get all the oxidation out, and of course fill these gaps up because water is definitely seeping in here. So I'm gonna have to take that off on a nice day. It's definitely not gonna be today. Pull in the garage and take care of that. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this. And another car that I'm gonna keep is the car that pretty much started the channel, other than the other 2 that I already sold. So I'm keeping this, and I was thinking about changing the bumper, the body kit up. As you see, I really don't have a body kit on there. It's just the basic. I do got side skirts, and yeah, so it's pretty much stock. I think it's more so the side skirts and the spoiler that sets the car off like that. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get this car painted and maybe change the bumpers and stuff. Put an actual body kit on there. I'm not sure. Well, no matter what, I'm definitely getting the car painted and wrapped. Whether it's gonna be the same color or not, I'm not sure. So this car is gonna stay on the channel. And so as far as the Camry and Mazda, I might end up selling them. Not sure yet. I might. Or I might just buy something else and just sell one, depending on how I'm feeling. I was talking to my cousin. He was like, if anything, just keep the Camry and fix that up and drive it to work. So I might end up just painting that and not doing too much more to it because the body kit's on there. I was going to try to take it and get it all fixed up. But when it's nice, I think I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the body kit and do it myself. I'll probably get a cheap Mako paint job for like $400-500, which I might end up doing. But I'm not sure what I want to do with that car. Might sell it, might keep it. But we definitely going to get something else. I'm trying to bring in as many views and all of that as possible. I just need my content to pick up, not as far as shorts. I haven't been posting any shorts, where shorts was pretty much bringing in my money. So I'm just trying to change things up. Like I told y'all at the beginning of the year, I didn't want my content to be based off short form. I wanted long form content, and that's what I'm focused on getting my most views at, long form. Because I don't even feel like you're an actual YouTuber if you're posting shorts all the time. So that's my goal this year, is to pick that up. So let's throw this purge valve on, see how she runs, and then we go from there. So I don't know if you see it but this is the purge valve right here. So it's pretty much a few things I gotta disconnect and one sensor right there, but it should be a easy fix. Second. Same one. Go ahead and throw this in. This will fix all the problems. This is one little piece of love. Save us a whole bunch of time. There she go. That easy. So that should have fixed all our problems. For real. You're really not gonna see a difference because it normally didn't start when you was getting gas. It always starts right up. The only thing that I really wanted to check is like when you driving, does it like idle funny? But there's so many freaking, I gotta check the tire pressure. Uh-oh, close was. Yeah, I gotta check the tire pressure, check engine light on. That came on a couple weeks ago. I'm not even sure where that's that from. As y'all see, organize the garage somewhat. A couple more boxes for the floors. I think it's actually the blue that's coming in. The red boxes still haven't came to fill in this little area, but about to have it all complete. Okay.
Where would you like that?
You can just sit in the middle of the floor. All it is my floor.
Oh, there's actual, oh, there you go, yeah, that's your floor.